Hey beauties, good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful structured sleeve. It is very easy to make and it is beginners friendly, so don't skip any part. And without too much talking, let's get to the end of the video.
Love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
To make this sleeve, you have to first draft a basic sleeve pattern. So that is what we are doing now. I want to draft the basic sleeve pattern. So you are going to use your bicep measurement divided by 2 plus the allowance. You are going to fold it into 2 like so, and then measure out the length you want for your short sleeve, your normal short sleeve measurement. So that is what I'm doing right now. I measured my short sleeve measurement and I connected that with the line. Then from the top, I'm going to measure my arm's eye. To calculate it is your bust divided by 12 inches. Your bust divided by your bust circumference divided by 12 inches. That is how you get your arm's eye. Then I'm just going to connect the curve for my sleeve. So my own arm's eye was 3 inches, so I went 3 inches downward. Then I connected the curve like that. Then we are basically done with our sleeve pattern. So now the next thing we are going to be doing is to mark out how long you want your hack to be. So I just went down by 5 inches and I'm connecting it to a point on the sleeve area. You know, it does not go around the whole armhole, so you will not connect it round the armhole. You just connect it to a place on the sleeve. So as you can see, I've cut it out and I'm going to be splitting this paper into 2 because I want to work with half of it so it can be easy. But you should know that the other part is on fold. So you fold that paper into 2 like so, and then you draw a straight line for the mid part that you folded. That will be your slash line, because we're going to be using slash and spread to enlarge this sleeve. So you take a fresh pattern paper and then we are going to enlarge it at the midpoint. So we are not enlarging the down part, so make sure that the down part meets the edge, but the upper part you slant it inwards by about 1 inch or 1.5 inches, and then you use your masking tape to hold it down. You see that I'm not slashing the down part. The down part meets the edge of the paper. It's only the upper part that I slanted a bit with 1.5 inches. So you are going to do that and use your masking tape to hold it properly. You hold it such that it doesn't shift. So once that is done, the slash line that we created at first, is the upper part that I want to enlarge. So you are going to open it up and then you are going to slant it also. You open it up by about 1.5 or 2 inches or more, depending on how puffy and how full you want your puff to be. So you're also going to hold it down with your masking tape just like that. My paper was not enough, so I had to add a small paper to the down part so that it can be enough to accommodate the new pattern I'm creating. So just bear with me. When you are doing yours, kindly use enough paper at the down part. Alright, so once that is done, I'm gonna head to stick it down with my masking tape. So at the edge here, on the other part at the edge, you're going to go up by 2 inches because you want to increase the height of the curve. Then you're going to connect from that point to the other part, just as you can see me do, with a curve like that. And then the down part is also going to be as it is. Then you are going to cut it out. So you're just going to cut it out as it is like this, and then you are going to take notes. But I'm sorry, let me quickly stick this piece that is falling off. So you're going to take note that this part, this side, is going to be cut on fold, because this is just one part of the sleeve. This is just one part of the sleeve, it's not the full sleeve. So now you're going to bring your fabric and just fold it like so, unfold like that, then you place your pattern on it and then you cut it out. If you are enjoying this video and it's helpful, kindly give it a like, drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll be more than glad to answer, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. Thank you. So now I'm going to cut it out now, and once I'm done, I'm going to cut 3 more of this because I need 2 for each sleeve. You need 2 for each sleeve. One will be for the lining and one will serve as the main fabric. Then you cut out 4 of that, so 2 for each sleeve. So once that is done, because this is a soft fabric, I'm using an interfacing and I'm using a very hard one, so I'm just going to fold it and just use my pattern to cut out the interfacing. So I'm going to be placing the interfacing on the lining part. So I've already used my iron to place. I'm going to use my iron to place it on it, which I've done here. So now I'm going to take my main fabric, place it right side facing right side, and stitch the down part. So once that is done, I'm going to place notches on it so that it can be easy for me to turn by the time I'm turning it. And then before I turn it out, I'm going to fold it into 2 and notch the midpoint at the upper part. You're going to see the reason why we are doing this later in the video. So once that is done, I'm just going to flip it over and turn it to the right side, and then I'm going to use my iron to press it down, which I've done now. So now from that midpoint that we notched earlier, I'm going to mark out 6 inches on one side and 6 inches to the other side. So those points are where I'm going to be gathering. I'm just going to be using pleats to gather mine so that it can be easy because of the stay that is inside already. So I've gone ahead to gather it on my machine, and this is how it looks. See how puffy and structured it looks. As you can see, it's a small puffy sleeve. It's not going to go round the armhole, and this is what it looks like. It came out really beautiful. You are just going to attach this small part. You're going to attach this small part to the armhole, and then you're going to sew the other side. You can also put your normal basics sleeve on it. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you in my next video. I love you and I care. Bye.